Hey, I'm Gene from Storks. Today we are going to do a comparison from the original Poly Tornado Western spreader to the new Marauder Poly spreader that they sell. This new version will be the same between Fisher and SnowX. They now offer it in auger and drag chain. This spreader here is an auger spreader. The original Tornado was only available in the drag chain. One of the biggest improvements would be the lids. Before, if you had a higher truck, it was tough to get up in the truck and flip those lids open. They've now added a groove in here to be able to, from the ground, put a shovel and easily flip the lid open. They've also improved the way they lock together here in the center. The old ones had holes from when they molded them. They are now plugged in these lids so that they aren't going to get that salt and water inside the lids. If you look at the top of the spreader here, they've added a ridge across here, which gives you a nice place to mount the backup camera or the camera for watching your spread. It also covers the module. Now the module is in that dog box underneath the poly hopper, preventing that from being in the weather. The strapping point on the older one was built into the side here. They've now thickened the plastic and gone through a stronger area of the spreader, so they go down through both front and back on these units. The chute is now the same chute as what is on their stainless steel spreader, so it's all the same parts on the chute itself. It has the same improved plug that they put on the stainless spreaders. Now these chutes are very heavy. That is the downside to them. With the handles placed where they are, it is tough to get on and off with one person because of the weight of it. But it is still probably an improvement from this larger chute that you had to grab from the sides there. That was obviously a lot easier with two people as well. So this unit does not come with any of the accessories. The one you see here has a pre-wet kit, the strobe lights, the work lights, the camera. Those are all items that we added to it. They've got a nice area for them to go, and the wiring can run through the inside here, so it's all pretty well protected. We can take a shot inside the spreader here. So the auger units come standard with the inverted V. The drag chain units do not. If you're going to use it normal use and not overfill the thing, you probably do not need it for the drag chain, but if you do load your spreader heavy, we would recommend putting the inverted V in. We've always put the inverted V in the older Tornadoes when we did them. They've changed the angles inside the hopper to get a little better salt flow. This spreader comes in 1.5 and 2.2, and we believe there is a larger one coming down the road, but just two sizes at this point. The old one was a 1.5, 1.8, and 2.5. All right, thanks for checking out the video.